Using notes and prompts for effective public speaking. Welcome to our English language learning video on public speaking and presentations. In this video, we will focus on the topic of using notes and prompts to enhance your delivery techniques and strategies. Whether you're preparing for a class presentation, a business meeting, or a public speaking engagement, having effective notes and prompts can help you deliver your message with clarity and confidence. Let's dive in. When it comes to public speaking, using notes and prompts can be incredibly valuable for several reasons. 1. Organization. Notes and prompts help you structure your speech or presentation, ensuring that you cover all the important points in a logical sequence. 2. Memory aid. They act as memory aids, helping you remember key information and preventing you from getting lost or forgetting crucial details during your speech. 3. Reducing anxiety. Having notes and prompts provides a sense of security and helps reduce anxiety, as you can refer to them if you need reassurance or a reminder of what to say next. 4. Maintaining flow. Notes and prompts keep your speech on track and help maintain a smooth flow, preventing unnecessary pauses or stumbling over words. Remember, the goal is not to read your speech verbatim from your notes but to use them as a guide and reference to ensure you stay focused and deliver your message effectively. There are various types of notes and prompts you can use based on your personal preference and the nature of your presentation. 1. Keywords or phrases. You can write down key points, keywords, or phrases on cue cards or sticky notes. These prompts serve as a quick reminder of the main ideas you want to convey, allowing you to expand upon them naturally. 2. Outline format. Creating an outline using bullet points or numbered lists can be helpful. It provides a structured framework and helps you remember the sequence of your presentation. Each bullet point can represent a main idea or subtopic that you want to address. 3. Visual aids. Incorporating visual aids like slides or props can also serve as prompts. These visuals can help trigger your memory and guide your speech while providing additional support for your audience. Choose the method that suits your style and comfort level best. Experiment with different techniques to find the one that works for you. To make the best use of your notes and prompts, consider the following tips. 1. Keep it simple. Use concise and clear wording on your notes to ensure easy comprehension. Avoid writing long sentences or paragraphs that might confuse you during your speech. 2. Practice, practice, practice. Familiarize yourself with your notes through repeated practice sessions. This will help you internalize the content and reduce your reliance on them during the actual presentation. 3. Color coding. If you're using cue cards or sticky notes, consider color coding them based on different sections or themes. This visual distinction can aid in quick reference and organization. 4. Eye contact. Aim to maintain eye contact with your audience as much as possible. Glancing at your notes is acceptable, but try to avoid constantly looking down or reading directly from them. The more you practice, the less you'll need to rely on your notes. Congratulations! You've learned about the importance of using notes and prompts for effective public speaking. By incorporating well-structured notes and prompts, you can enhance your organization, boost your memory, reduce anxiety, and maintain a smooth flow during your presentations. Remember, notes and prompts are tools to support you, so aim for a balance between referencing them and engaging with